about Dustin and Courtney.
Dustin and Courtney.
What's Courtney doing?
Oh no. Courtney's going up.
What about Dustin?
Dustin's not going up.
No.
No.
What is he doing?
Oh no.
What do you think he might be doing?
Oh no.
Do you think he's playing Rock Band?
Yes.
Can you say hello to Dustin and Courtney?
Hello, Dustin and Courtney.
Do you have anything else you want to say to them?
Courtney and Dustin, you're watching Rock Band? Yes? Oh.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
I love you.